What's going on, YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do? And I got a package from Seidio. I opened up the box and grabbed this out of it because it was directly from Seidio. When you order this, you might probably order from Amazon, or you might order from their website or some other retailer. But this is a smart water bottle from Seidio, and there's the model number, the SE-BOTG3-BK. So this is their water bottle. So let's go ahead and check out, what is a smart water bottle? We've got something in there. Oh, okay, to hold the bottle steady. And another thing to hold the, okay. So that just holds it in there nice and firm. And it looks like a carrying pouch to carry the water bottle in, to keep it from getting damaged. And they said they did a little something extra. What did they do? Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's so awesome. So there's this amazing dude that created my banner profile, Emmanuel, I believe. It's been a long time. He did my picture for my YouTube and my intro that I haven't used in a little while because I switched over to 1080p 60 frames instead of 4K 30 frames. But yeah, that's awesome. That is so cool. So this is a smart water bottle. What this is it's got this screen at the top that tells you information about the temperature of the water. So get that out of there. You take this and you pop this off, and it has like this little tip. And then in here, it's got the instructions on how to use it. And if you lose this, I will go ahead and leave this up in the video so you can see it. Unscrew it, remove the silicone thing like we did, and then there's the charging contact, and you just place it on there. So if you ever lose your manual, you can refer to this video to see the instructions. Green light, orange light, red light, timer function. Yeah, so let's go ahead and check out this little charger. All right, cool. So we'll grab our battery and we'll place the contacts on here. Okay, so it fights it. So you gotta turn it and it stops fighting it. And now we're charging. Peel that off and you can see a little icon letting you know that it's charging. Apparently with the Anchor battery, if you double press this little button, it's green and then blue. If you double press it, they'll turn blue, green. So we'll do a slow charge. Oh, it's like pulsing green around the ring. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to let this charge up, and I'm going to pour some cold water in it, and I'll be back. All right, here we are a little bit later, and I have some cold water in here. I went ahead and grabbed a bottle of water out of the fridge, poured it straight in, and now when we press this one time, we see that it's 42 degrees. Actually, now it says 40 because I tilted it more towards the thing. So the water in there is nice and chill. It's hard to pick up because of the light, but now it says 39. That's really cool. Apparently, if you double press it, it starts like an alarm. Yeah, see, there's like a little timer, and then it will like beep. It makes little beep sounds and stuff, but you can cancel it by double pressing again, and you just press the screen to wake it up or put it to sleep. So that's pretty cool. We know that the water is 40 degrees, and we can go ahead and take a drink of this. Nice cold water. And there's no guessing on how cold it is. If this has been left out for a minute, you just press down and go, oh, okay, so my water is 42 degrees. That's so freaking awesome. I love it. It's great. I will have a link to this in the description below if you want to pick one of these up for yourself. They have one in white as well. Huge thank you to Seidio. That looks awesome. I'm super excited. Now I can, drink some nice cold water, and I always know exactly what the temperature of my water is. At a quick glance, I can see that it's 38 degrees Fahrenheit. And if anybody else takes my bottle, it's got my name engraved on it. So that's so awesome. Thank you so much, Seidio. That really is really cool. Not very many companies have done something this awesome for me. So I sincerely appreciate this. This is great. This is a water bottle that's mine, and no one else has one like this. This is great. I'm gonna take another drink. That little thing that you pull off of the charging is just to keep the stuff from getting wet in there. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Comments are disabled as of filming this video because a long time ago I had a minor appear in my videos and YouTube has blanket protection and decided to disable every single comment on every single video of mine. So yeah. For now, just leave a comment on Twitter or Instagram. I will tweet out a link to this video. You can go ahead and comment on that. And yeah, that's how we'll stay in touch for now. But this is awesome. Thank you again, Seidio. Have a great day.